Signing a contract inside Dockwa is simple, very secure, and quick, so you can get back out on the water. When you arrive at the contract screen, you'll see options to view, download, or print your contract. Hitting any one of those will open up your contract in a new window. Once you see it in the new window, you can make sure everything looks right, and then when you're ready, go back and sign the contract right there within the app by using your cursor, or if you're on a mobile phone, your finger. Then you just verify that you've read the contract and that you agree to the terms and hit submit. From there, you can add in your credit card information and again, very securely process the payment. If you get stuck along the way, there's a help button over on the right where you can talk directly to the marina. And that's it. Thanks for listening and happy boating.